Picture this, a stunning luxury home just 4 miles from the lake, right next to upscale shopping and dining, but nestled in a peaceful forested community that feels like your own private retreat. And it gets better. The community offers resort-style amenities like sparkling pools, modern fitness center, and tennis courts. And here's the kicker, you can get all this for under $600,000. Yes, really. I hope you have your agent on speed dial. Come on in and take a look at my newest listing here in the Woodlands Hills, Texas.